3 authentic Chinese recipes you can't miss. Ever dreamt of savoring authentic Chinese cuisine in the comfort of your home? Not the takeout kind, but real-deal recipes that bring the vibrant flavors of China to life? Let us take you on a culinary journey with 3 iconic dishes: Pao Chicken, Xiao Long Bao, and Mapo Tofu. These recipes are simple enough to make at home, but packed with the bold, comforting flavors that define authentic Chinese food. Pao Chicken, sweet, spicy, and utterly delicious. Our adventure begins with Pao Chicken, a Sichuan classic that's all about balancing sweet, spicy, and savory flavors. Originating from the Sichuan province, this dish is a vibrant mix of tender chicken, crunchy peanuts, and fiery chilies. Ingredients: chicken breast, diced, dried red chilies, Sichuan peppercorns, soy sauce, black vinegar and sugar, garlic, ginger, and peanuts. Steps: marinate chicken in soy sauce and cornstarch for 15 minutes. Stir-fry dried chilies and peppercorns until aromatic. Add chicken, garlic, and ginger. Stir in a sauce made from soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar. Toss in peanuts for a crunchy finish and serve with steamed rice. Pro tip: use authentic dark Chinese vinegar for a tangy depth of flavor you can't replicate with regular vinegar. Xiao Long Bao, soup dumpling straight from Shanghai. Next up is Xiao Long Bao, the famous soup dumplings that feel like a warm hug. These delicate treats burst with flavorful broth when you bite into them. Making them is a labor of love, but the results are worth every second. Ingredients: ground pork filling seasoned with soy sauce, ginger, and sesame oil. Dumpling wrappers. Gelatinous pork stock, the secret to the soup. Steps: mix pork filling with chopped gelatinous stock. It melts into soup when steamed. Wrap small portions into dumpling skins, pleating carefully. Steam until the dumplings are tender and the soup inside is piping hot. Pair them with a dipping sauce made of black vinegar and julienned ginger for the ultimate Shanghai experience. 3. Mapo Tofu, comfort food with a kick. Finally, let's dive back into Sichuan with Mapo Tofu, a dish that's fiery, savory, and oh so comforting. Silky tofu mingles with ground pork and a spicy bean paste sauce to create a meal that's perfect for chilly evenings. Ingredients: soft tofu, ground pork or beef, dubanjiang, fermented chili bean paste, garlic, ginger, and green onions, Sichuan peppercorns. Steps: sauté ground pork with garlic and ginger until fragrant. Stir in dubanjiang, soy sauce, and a splash of broth for a rich sauce. Add cubes of tofu and let them absorb the flavors. Top with Sichuan peppercorns and green onions. Serve with steamed rice. Fun fact: dubanjiang, the chili bean paste used here, is called the soul of Sichuan cuisine for its deep, umami-packed flavor.